Stop overpaying for produce. Your windowsill is actually a hidden gold mine. Hi, I'm Dr. Hardy. Today we're building an urban laboratory for self-sufficiency. Grocery prices are rising, but the cost of a seed remains pennies, even without a backyard. Growing your own food isn't just a hobby, it's a strategic financial move. The biggest myth is that you need land. You don't. You need intention and a little bit of light. Most high-value herbs only need 6 hours of indirect light. That's your first step to savings. Let's look at the ROI. One basil plant costs $3 and yields 5 times its price in a month. We start with the high-frequency 5, herbs you use daily that are the most expensive to buy. Basil is our first hero. It's prolific, fast-growing, and thrives in small containers. Then there's mint. It's invasive, so give it its own pot. It'll save you a fortune on tea and salads. Forget the daily watering. Simple self-watering setups are the secret to urban gardening success. Success starts from the bottom up. Good drainage is non-negotiable for indoor roots. Think of your soil as the laboratory floor. Quality compost means nutrient-dense food. If you're short on patience, microgreens are your financial fast lane. Harvest in 10 days. A small tray of microgreens at the store is $6. Homegrown? Less than 50 cents. No shelf space? Look up. Vertical gardens utilize the dead space on your walls and windows. Leafy greens like kale and spinach can be harvested, cut, and come again for months. That one window box can easily replace 3 plastic-wrapped salad bags every week. The best part? This lab doesn't close for winter. Indoor gardening is a 365-day economy. For darker corners, a simple LED grow light pays for itself within 2 harvest cycles. You can even grow tomatoes. Dwarf varieties are designed specifically for small pots. Tomatoes take longer, but the flavor and the savings are incomparable to store-bought. Chili peppers are another powerhouse. They're compact, beautiful, and highly productive indoors. You don't need fancy pots. Repurpose what you have. That's the first lesson in saving. My secret? Start small. 1 pot, 1 plant, 1 win. Then expand your laboratory. Consistency is the currency of growth. 10 minutes a week is all your urban garden asks. Feed your plants. They are working hard for you. A little organic tea goes a long way. Keep an eye out for pests. Catching them early is the difference between a harvest and a loss. Use natural solutions like neem oil. We want healing food, not chemical-laden produce. Pruning isn't cutting, it's multiplying. The more you harvest correctly, the more your plant produces. This is where the investment pays off. Freshly harvested food at peak nutrient density. The taste is night and day, and your wallet will feel the difference at the end of every month. Imagine saving $500 a year just from your windowsill. That's real money. You are taking control of your food supply. That is the ultimate form of empowerment. From herbs to microgreens, your urban garden is a testament to resourcefulness. At Healing Harvest, we believe every home has the potential to be a sanctuary of health. I'm Dr. Hardy. Start your laboratory today. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. Stay rooted, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next lesson.